So, ito na nga yung ating napanalunan. Ito nga pala yung palaro nila Kuya M2M. Ayan. Ayan po. So, ito po yung palaro ni Kuya M2M noong guys, June 25. Ayan. Ito po. Nag-scratch po tayo ng ticket worth 350. Ayan. 350 po guys ang ini-scratch po natin. Comes up with eto nga, scratcher, Washington Scratcher, Washington Lottery. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. So, ang napanalunan ko dito guys is 340. Ayan. So, Go Bananas, 20, Bokya yan. This one is Bokya too. This one I won 20. This one is Bokya. This one Bokya din. And then with stickers of Kuya M2M, tatlo M2M stickers. And then full scratcher stickers. Ayan po. Full scratcher stickers. And ito po. And ito pa. Ang hirap naman mag-video ng ganito. Ayan, wala kasing nakahawak. Ito po is 70 pesos. Win. Ito po is 20 pesos. 20 pesos guys. And then ito is 50 times 3. So 150. And then Ruby Riches. This one I scratched with farm coins. And he got the 35. Got win 50. This is farm number. Scratch with farm number 35. Ayan, nanalo po ito ng 100. And then the other, this one is 2020 Bokya. This one is Bokya also. This one Bokya. And the Kino is Bokya also guys. And this one, parang mat lang ni Kuya M2M. Pwede ko to siyang gawing mousepad. Doon sa laptop. Ayan guys. So, and the other giveaways po nila Kuya M2M is this one guys. I won in the raffle. Chandra coins and sticker. Ayan. Meron siyang mga stickers din. Got stickers. And with Chandra coin. You see? So cute, right? And in Kuya M2M na palaro, I got this, yung pick when you kung napanood nyo po yung premiere ni Ninang Phoebe, we put all our numbers in the sheet. But then, unlucky, we didn't win. So, Kuya M2M tried to give it away, all the sobre envelope. So, I picked this one, 50. I didn't see the 50 numbers. But then, this one is just random pick to Kuya M2M hand. So, I got 1,000 guys. 1,000 in this. And then, on Chandra, shared 7K, 7,000. Here also guys is 500. 500 pesos. Shared to all. All of us in the meetup have 500 pesos guys. Ayan. So, all in all, I also got 100 from Kuya M2M for the coins that I have with him. Ito yung coins niya. I bring the coins of Kuya M2M. So here is the Kuya M2M coins. Unluckily, I don't have the coins of Kuya Fu Scratcher. I wish I could have one. Member pa naman ako. Charot. They didn't give me one. Kuya Fu, shout out. And thank you for the the games that you, with this one. This is from Kuya Fu Scratcher and Kuya M2M. This one. So, I won here 350, guys. 340. 50, 100 plus 150. So, 250. 250 plus 250 plus 70. Uy, marami pala akong panalo. Oh, this one didn't win. 70, 250 is 320 plus 20, 340. So, not a profit. I lost 10 pesos, guys, with this one. Because all this ticket is worth 350. 350. So, lost 10 pesos. Lost 10 pesos. Ayan. So, these one are all the things that I had at Kuya M2M meetup. And we had at Tongyang, Mowat, June 25, 2025. Ayan. So, thank you so much. And I also have, wait guys. And I give also Kuya Fu Scratcher and Kuya M2M a memorabilia, a gift from this one. Not included is Eds Hernandez and Mas Pangit because they are also in there. But in the GC, 10 of us only are in there. Pearl DM, Katots, Julio Just Amy, Fu Scratcher, and Kuya M2M. And Panoncio Mary Ann, Pilingirang Blogger, Boss Jobs, Fire, and Just. And I give one each for Kuya M2M and Kuya Fu Scratcher. Ayan. So, that's it, guys. Another premiere. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.